Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Ebi airdrop. Now Ebi is a trading platform and it unlocks liquidity on all the tokens. So there are a lot of pairs on Ebi, and in order to farm this airdrop you will need to collect points. Now I will be exactly showing you how you can go ahead and collect points on Ebi. So before we move on to Ebi airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now, once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also getting access to exclusive airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. And if we go to AB docs, as you can see, they have mentioned that the users can earn points by trading, referring, and using affiliate links and social tasks. So in order to create an account on AB, you will need to have a referral link or a referral code. Now you can use my sign up referral link in the description, as it really supports my channel and you would be also getting some additional points on AB. And once you are here on AB, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. So in this case, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet. And then what you have to do is you will need to head to AB points over here and complete this basic task. So the task include like connecting them on Twitter, connecting your Discord, and then follow them on Twitter and adding AB stream to your profile name on Twitter. So these are some of the simple tasks. And then there are other tasks like first time deposit and first time trade bonus. So if we click on deposit over here, as you can see, you can deposit from ARB, Ethereum and BNB chain. So you can deposit your USDT from these three chain to AB chain, and you can go ahead and collect these points. Now there are some additional points for also first time trade bonus. So if we talk about the trade, there are decent pairs available for trading. For example, there is BTC is there, then Milad is there, Floki, Pepe, Ava coin. So this one is a coin based on Ton network. Now I've recently purchased few of Ava coin around $300 or so in the hopes of doing at least 10x. Then there is BTC, Eigen, and they also have Hamster comeback and Maga, Near and RD, Sol, Ton, Trump, and also WIF. So most of the pairs supported are on the Ton network and Solana. So what I will do is once I deposit, I will go ahead and maybe I will trade a WIF to USDT. And I also have this leverage option. Now I haven't tried this option as of yet, but I don't know how much leverage is available on this platform. I think maybe 50 or 200x. So once you deposit, you can start trading on different pairs over here. So one is limit and one is market. And if you don't know what you are doing, then I would suggest is don't take leverage, as there is a high chance of margin call and also liquidation. And if we talk about more AB points over here, as you can see, the last thing is like if you invite more of your friends and active traders, then you would be receiving more points. So for now, this is how you can go ahead and farm the Ebi xyz airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.